How to download videos on Facebook from Facebook or on Facebook. Today we will learn how to do this easy and quick. Let's do it. So all what you need to do is to download the Snaptip first, and then you have to open your Facebook, and right now you need to search for the video that you wanna download. For example, this video. I will come here to share, and I will scroll this and click on this 3 point. Right now I will choose Snaptip as I'm doing, as I told you, and it will take you to this page, and it will choose if you want to add it as a music or as a video. And for example, this, click download, and it would start downloading. So that's all, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.